This is going to sound illegal. It's not. But the first time you make money this way, you'll feel slightly guilty. Because you're about to get paid for something someone else simply refused to do. Most people don't lack opportunity. They lack execution. And if you understand that one sentence, you understand why convenience is a billion-dollar industry. Let me show you how this actually works in the real world. A few years ago, I watched a guy in my city make serious money from something ridiculous. Government forms, business registration, tax ID processing, basic compliance filings. All public information, all free instructions, all doable online. Yet, business owners kept delaying it. Why? Because it was boring. So what did he do? He didn't create anything new. He didn't hack the system. He didn't bribe anyone. He simply said, "I'll handle it for you." He charged a premium. People paid happily. Why? Because laziness is expensive. Let me be clear. These were intelligent people, capable people. But when something feels administrative, slow, frustrating, they avoid it. And avoidance creates a market. Within 18 months, he scaled it, added expedited processing, added document pickup, added consultation, hired assistants. He wasn't selling forms, he was selling relief. That's when I realized something powerful. The market does not reward intelligence. It rewards completion. Here's the principle. If a task is important, boring, slightly confusing, time-consuming, there is money there. This applies to editing videos, booking travel, negotiating contracts, researching scholarships, filing paperwork, optimizing resumes, cleaning data, setting up tech. You are not exploiting laziness. You are monetizing friction. Every time someone says, "I'll do it later," there is an invoice hiding in that sentence. Wealth is rarely created by genius ideas. It's created by solving small problems repeatedly. Millionaires understand something uncomfortable. Most people will not execute, and that gap is profitable. Now let me warn you, this only works if you actually deliver. If you cut corners, if you overpromise, if you become sloppy, you don't have a business, you have a reputation problem. Also, never mistake this principle for manipulation. You are not taking advantage of weakness, you are removing burden. There's a difference. Operate clean. This sounds illegal. It's not. It's just uncomfortable to admit that discipline pays and procrastination funds someone else's lifestyle. And this is only part one.